Is ginger a herb or vegetable? Just because ginger falls into the botanical definition of a vegetable doesn't mean that you can eat a plate of ginger and say you've had your vegetables for the day. Because of its low nutritional value and high flavor, ginger is commonly considered an herb or spice in the culinary world. What spice is the same as ginger? In case you don't have fresh ginger, substitute it with a tablespoon containing cardamom, allspice, cinnamon, nutmeg, or mace. Although nutmeg, cinnamon, allspice, and mace are delightful substitutes for ginger, you may think that the flavor is not exactly the same as when ginger is used. Is ginger hot or spicy? Tasting notes. The ginger rhizome contains 1 to 3% essential oils, and the compound gingerol is responsible for its pungent/hot sensation. Dried ginger is generally less spicy than fresh ginger. Is ginger and turmeric the same? Turmeric, curcuma longa, is in the ginger family and is native to Southeast Asia, where it is an important culinary ingredient. More recently, it has gained a reputation for various health benefits such as antibacterial, antidepressant, and anti-inflammatory qualities. What is ginger spice used for? In Caribbean, Indian, and Asian cuisines, fresh ginger root is featured in many meat, seafood, and vegetable dishes. In Western cooking, ground ginger often lends a note of spice to cookies, preserves, and quick breads, along with beverages such as ginger ale and tea.